Welcome back. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duty. It's a VAC code, and for semester it is for all summer semesters. Okay, 1 to 6, all 6 to 10, 1 to 4 subject. Maximum time is 2.5 hours, and maximum marks is 70. It consists of two parts: Part A or Part B. Part A is of 30 marks, and Part B is 40 marks. Here are the instructions for you guys. Okay, you have to write in English or Hindi. First part is compulsory, and you have to attempt any two from question number one, and the rest is as follows. Question number one: write short answer to of the following: A. Part equality before law. B. Article 51A. C. Sarva Dharma Sambhav. Question number two: discuss the concept of justice in reference to the Indian Constitution. Question number three: critically examine the provisions of right to the freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28 in the Indian Constitution. Question number four: what is the significance of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution? And here's the part B. You have to answer any 4 out of the 5. All questions carry equal marks, that is 10. So here we are. Short questions. Write any two. A. Sarva Dharma Sambhav. B. Sovereignty. C. Liberty. Question number 2. Explain the social, economic, and political dimensions of the justice in the Indian Constitution. Question 3. Discuss the justiciability of the fundamental duties as laid down in the Indian Constitution. Question number 4. What do you understand by the rule of law? Explain. Question 5. Explain the nature of democracy implicated in the Indian Constitution. Thank you. And if you want any other PYQs or any other subject, do mention in the comments and subscribe for more due content.